Günaydın, food enthusiasts. Today, we're bringing the vibrant flavors of a Turkish sunrise to your breakfast table with a classic dish that's truly a breakfast of champions, menemen. Join us in the kitchen as we guide you through the art of crafting this delicious, hearty breakfast that's a favorite across Turkey. Let's start our day with the magic of menemen.
Ingredients: 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 bell peppers, red and green, diced, 2 ripe tomatoes, diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, adjust to taste, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish, crusty bread for serving.
Instructions: Sautéing Aromatics. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Sauté finely chopped onions until translucent. Add diced bell peppers and minced garlic, continuing to cook until peppers are tender. Adding tomatoes and spices, stir in diced tomatoes, allowing them to release their juices. Season with red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Mix well.
Creating wells for eggs: make small wells in the vegetable mixture using a spoon. Crack an egg into each well, ensuring they are evenly distributed across the pan.
Cooking the eggs: cover the pan and cook until the egg whites are set but the yolks remain runny. For a fully cooked yolk, continue cooking until desired doneness.
Garnishing and serving: garnish menemen with fresh parsley. Serve immediately with crusty bread for a delightful Turkish breakfast experience. Voila! Your breakfast is now transformed into a flavorful feast with our menemen recipe. Whether you enjoy it solo or share it with loved ones, this Turkish breakfast of champions is sure to brighten your morning. If you enjoyed this culinary journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Günaydın olsun, have a bright day.